This orchid produces sweet-scented notes, exuding a soft, feminine beauty. It has medicinal properties and is often used in tonics to rejuvenate and energize your body. Having a hard time feeling relaxed? We've got you covered with the addition of these therapeutic orchids. Their beautiful and lovely aromas calms you down while setting your mind into a rest mode. The more highly complex the fragrance is, the more exquisite the fragrance can turn out. Aloe vera and spruce are added to create such effect. It should come to no surprise that the use of aloe vera in skincare is very common, and the plant offers great benefits for one's skin and hair. The plant has been recognized for thousands of years in traditional medicine, dating back to as early as 2200 BC. Aloe vera has great moisturizing and healing properties. It is also anti-inflammatory, helping to cool and reduce any swelling. Spruce is a type of coniferous tree. The oil is made through the extraction of spruce needles, and its scent can be described as fresh, crisp, and woody. A great choice for dispelling fatigue, stress, and anxiety. Want to freshen up your day with a delicate yet refreshing scent? This would be perfect for you.